Scientists found a yellow brick road at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean. Science alert. Where does it lead? Below are your comments. Natural occurrence. In Yellowstone there is a vertical cliff wall that fractured into almost perfect rectangle, square B. Locks. This yellow brick road found at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean is most assuredly the work of Cthulhu. I would be willing to bet there is a city nearby, designed with non-Euclidean geometry. That's SpongeBob Drive. I'd know it anywhere. It is only a matter of time before Graham Handbleep or some other alternative historian claims this as evidence for a lost Pacific Atlantis. Humans have a thing called pareidolia. Humans are massive pattern-seeking machines. We look for patterns even when there are none. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.